In today's video, I'll be showing you how to resize an image in Photoshop. Start by selecting the image layer that you want to resize. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard or Command T on a Mac. Move your cursor so it's over the edge or corner of the box. You will notice the cursor change. Click and drag to resize the image. Dragging a side will only adjust that side, and dragging a corner will adjust both corresponding sides. Holding Shift while dragging out the image will maintain the proportions. Holding Shift and Alt or Shift and Option on a Mac will maintain proportions and resize from the middle. Press Enter or click the tick at the top to confirm your changes. You can also resize the entire image and all layers in the document. Select Image from the top menu. Go to Image Size. If you want the image to maintain the current aspect ratio, then make sure the link is enabled on the side. Highlight the width and enter your new size. If you didn't enable the link, then change the height as well. Click OK and your image size will be changed.